one of the winners in the upcoming Golden Dome project that's being built out for Homeland Missile Defense. So joining us now in an exclusive interview is L3Harris CFO Ken Bedingfield from Jefferies Global Industrials Conference in Midtown Manhattan. Ken, it's great to have you on the show. Welcome.
Hey, Morgan. Thank you. It's great to be with you.
All right. So I want to start right there because you did present to investors with your CEO, Chris Kubasik, earlier today, and it seemed pretty upbeat to me. You basically laid out the fact that looking at your multi-year targets, the risk is skewing more to the upside than the downside in terms of revenue, in terms of margins, and in terms of what you're seeing at the company. I realize there's been cost cutting going on for the last couple of years. How much of it is that? How much of it is the fact that demand for defense really seems to be surging here?
Yeah, thanks for the question. Look, L3Harris is the trusted disruptor in the defense industry. We're ready to support the administration, and we have invested to be able to move fast in order to deliver capability on schedule and as it's needed for the customer. And I think that's really what's driving the growth for us, is the ability to accelerate rapidly. You mentioned Golden Dome. I think that's an opportunity for us to grow revenue here in 26 and 27. We've certainly been working with the customer around solid rocket motor acceleration to deliver capability for missiles. And as you mentioned, we have been working cost cutting to make sure that we are as affordable as possible and can deliver that capability to the customer as affordably as we can to get them the capability, the max capability that they can afford.
Yeah, Golden Dome is a huge undertaking. I think $175 billion has been allotted to the program. How big is that opportunity for L3Harris? How quickly can it be realized?
Yeah, Golden Dome is a large opportunity. At the end of the day, though, it really is a set of capabilities. So we've got opportunity in space-based sensing, certainly the SDA Tranche 3 opportunity in front of us. We've got a program that we've delivered capability on called Hypersonic Ballistic Tracking Sensor, and we see that as a multi-billion-dollar opportunity in front of us here in the near term. And then certainly all of the interceptor acceleration to support what we need to defend the homeland, programs like THAAD, PAC-3, Standard Missile, Tomahawk, and then certainly some classified programs as well. We're seeing significant demand there, and we'll be working to deliver that capability as a part of Golden Dome. And then ultimately, I think what the net new part of it is space-based interceptors, and we're evaluating, working with the customer around their request for a proposal and what that's going to look like and how we strategize to deliver capability there.
Yeah, I just want to note for our viewers that Broadcom is out. We're going through those results. We'll bring them to you in just a moment. In the meantime, when you talk about the customer, you're talking about the government here. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick was on CNBC last week, suggested that the government could be considering taking stakes in defense contractors, that this was something that leadership at the Pentagon was considering right now. I want to get your response to it.
So, we certainly have heard the comments from Secretary Lutnick, and all of the discussions that we've been having with our customer, seniors in the DoD and the services, is that what's critical right now is getting capability and capacity at scale and rapidly. And that's what we're focused on. We don't really want to see anything that would distract us from the investments required. And we've been investing ahead of need. We've got factories ready to build the satellites for Golden Dome. We've been investing in capacity for solid rocket motors to deliver the interceptor capacity. So from my perspective, let's focus on what's important. That is capacity at pace in the customer's hands as rapidly as possible.